Hello, if you are wondering if you can pay with Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then the answer is yes. You can use your Motorola Edge 50 Ultra for contactless payments, and in order to make sure that you can do that, first you need to open the settings. In the settings, go to connected devices, then choose connection preferences, and over here you need to enable NFC. So press on the slider in order to be able to use NFC. You might also want to make sure that the required device unlock for NFC is also enabled, as this is a good safety measurement. Now, once you have NFC enabled, then you need to use an app that adds your credit or debit card. An example of this app is Google Wallet. If you don't have this app, then of course you can use the Play Store. In the Play Store, you can just type wallet, and then you can install this app over here that I'm gonna show you in a second. There we go. This is the app that you want to install, and once you install it, you want to open it. And over here press add to wallet in order to add a payment card. So if you select payment card, then you will need to take the picture of your credit or debit card. Over here you need to line it up with the frame, and if this doesn't work for you, you can also enter details manually by selecting this option over here. And there we go. Now here you can simply enter the card number, press save, and then continue with the instructions that will be displayed on your screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!